Okay guys, this 2022 Chevy 3500 HD Allison transmission Duramanx diesel presented you from TJ Chapman Auto. It's four-wheel drive. This beast has a 7-inch lift. LTZ package. LED lights. Take a look at those big old deep dish fuel rims. Okay, this car is a rebuilt, restored title. Had some front end damage through here and then right through the bed area through here. See, it's all fixed up. You do have a black wrap on this roof. So you can see a little closer about what this lift looks like. Super clean underneath. Running board. $37.20s. Really cool LED lights. Fifth wheel prep. See that wrap there. Tow mirrors. See that blind spot monitor. Confirm the VIN. All your four-wheel drive, tow modes, all your auxiliaries, parking brake. Start it up here for you. So heated steering wheel. 28,802 on the miles. Here. Apple CarPlay there. Heated exhaust brake. Cooled seats. A USB, all your trailer hookups, your 110 here. Does have the key in there for those rims. Power sliding glass. No sunroof on this one. Leather looks super clean. Couple little nicks in there. Give it a little gassy in here. Does have all the exhaust components, so it will pass emissions. Z71 package. You check out all our inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.